episode 4 of Smoothie Challenge.
Sorry guys, there's just a bunch of technical difficulties.
What are you doing?
To get it tight.
How are we going to take it off now?
This is cold.
Steve.
Hurry up. Okay, we're putting it on, guys.
Wait, honey.
¿Y a dónde está ahorita?
Go.
No, el número de
Wait, why does it go so small then?
Does he know your phone number?
I told you didn't put it on enough. Hurry. Guys, we have a leaking column.
Because the
Get the napkin.
honey, it's because soda.
Oh, yeah. But Lisa just got soda.
It's bubbly.
Okay, here we go. Guys, technical difficulties. Okay, guys. But we have opened.
I'm not drinking any of this.
Really? Then I'm
Esto
gonna
pasó
win.
ahorita, ¿verdad?
Oh, I
Esto
know.
pasó ahorita, ¿verdad?
Oh, no, that's it.
You actually almost made me throw up.
Are you sure we should drink?
No.
Well, we have to. No!
Okay, let's go
Can't
to
do
the
that.
table.
Promise you're not gonna do that?
No.
You can't do that, Benjamin.
You should never said no cheating. I already had something. Okay, I go first. No, you go first.
No, we have to drink it at the same time.
No, you go first.
Good.